I'm currently employed by Sellafield Limited, and my role is acting as a pre-operations section leader. Now, pre-operations is something that we use on site to ensure the people, the plant and the procedures required to bring a facility into operations as part of project delivery has been delivered effectively. So I've been an engineer for 15 years, I'm 31 now, and I started my engineering career at Gen 2 when I was 16. From there I went into a maintenance team on the site. From here I went into something called commissioning, which is first testing and setting to work of equipment as part of project delivery. After that I went into pre-operations as a lead engineer, and then into pre-operations as a section leader, which is a line management role. So you're expected to understand what it is to deliver pre-operations, but also understand the responsibilities of line management within the business. So naturally, it's just been a progression that's happened as part of being within the business. It's easy to say what I don't first. The main thing there is that as part of pre-operations, we've got to evaluate designs, so proposed designs of equipment. Now, these designs take a long time to come up with because a lot of the problems that we face at Sellafield are novel. We don't see them out in the real world. Now, because they take so long, that's someone's effort that they've put in. Now, when they ask you to evaluate a design, your evaluation takes far less time than what it takes for that person to come up with the idea to, in reality, what is a really hard problem. And it will fit in most cases and be a great solution, but it might not be maintainable or operable in the way that we think a human being would actually do it. So yeah, it's not very nice having to tell someone that the work that they've put in isn't slightly there, but it is part of a process that we use. What I do like about it is within projects you'll find that people are trying to deliver something that will make the site better. It will change the future of what's going on, and it'll try and grow from what we've already got and fix the problems that we've seen previously. That's that environment to work in, and seeing all those people pushing in the same direction to achieve a common goal is great, especially when you achieve it. If you can tick a box and sign something off to say delivered that's taken a number of years, that is a great achievement, and that's what I find rewarding about coming to work. I started at Lakes College when I was 16, did a level 3 as part of my Gen 2 advanced apprenticeship, and then had some time off until I was 21, and then I started my higher education. I went on to do a H&C, a H&D, and then finally an honours degree in electrical and electronic engineering. I would say not only through achievement of the qualifications, but through the development of myself as a person and development of skills that I'd need within the workplace. Now, they did this by employing really good tutors. I can't stress enough how important some of the relationships that I've built whilst going to Lakes College with the tutors. These guys are very good at one, teaching, and two, being able to converse in a way that allows you to have deep conversations, which you probably couldn't have with a lot of other people. That environment to grow in it's really important. Now, I've had a look at what the other options were, and I've actually asked friends that went to university, and what they found through their experience was the tutors that they had, they weren't personal, they didn't have much time with them, and they found the experience and the support that they got far less than what I got, especially at Lakes College. This is something that I believe in quite a lot, and what it is help others and don't be afraid to ask for help. And what I mean by that is, if you help one person and they go on and help another person, they go on and help another person, that help just goes round and round and round. The more people that you help, the more people are going to try and help other people. Now, at some point in life, that will come back around. There'll be a situation in life where you'll need help, I'll need help, and there's been many situations in my career where I won't have been able to complete a task or achieve what I've required to achieve without the help of someone else. So building a support network with the vision of never asking for anything back, but knowing that at some point in life I will need help. That's the one piece of advice I'd give someone.